ABC Cats by Leslea Newman. A. Adorable cat with eyes of gold. B. Baby cat just 2 weeks old. C. Curious cat loves to explore. D. Dreaming cat with thunderous snore. E. Elegant cat in dignified pose. F. Finicky cat turns up her nose. G. Grouchy cat with twitchy tail. H. Hefty cat who tips the scale. I. Inquisitive cat with 6-toed paws. J. Joyful cat with sharpened claws. K. Kissable cat, so soft and sweet. L. Lazy cat with outstretched feet. M. Muddy cat who leaves wet tracks. N. Naughty cat steals tasty snacks. O. Obedient cat stays on his chair. P. Primping cat grooms every hair. Q. Quiet cat out on the prowl. R. Rowdy cat with piercing yowl. S. Scaredy cat who hides all night. T. Tangled cat purrs with delight. U. Unusual cat swims in the tub. V. Voracious cat who gobbles grub. W. Worried cat clings anxiously. X. Exuberant cat meows with glee. Y. Yawning cat about to doze. Z. Zany cat hangs by her toes. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you purr with me? Okay, friends, that's the end of our story. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. See you next time.